Hello students, in the last class I have explained you that branches of geography on the basis of systematic approach. So in this class I am going to teach you branches of geography on the basis of regional approach. Okay? Branches of geography on the basis of regional approach. So your topic name is branches of geography on the basis of regional approach. So student, I have already explained you that meaning of regional approach. I mean, what is the meaning of regional approach? It means what? Under this approach, what geographers do that they divide particular region into many parts and they study particular region. Okay? So student, there are 4 branches of geography under regional approach. Okay? First one is regional or area studies. First one is regional or area studies. Area studies. So student, under this approach, what geographers do that they divide particular region into many parts. Okay, and we can call it micro region, meso region, and macro region. It means what? For example, this is one region. Okay, and we call it macro region as a whole. Macro region as a whole. Macro means what? When we study large area. Okay, for example, we can say that in India northeast region. Okay, so after that, what geographers do that? Again, they divide that macro region into many parts. Okay, and we call it meso region. Meso region. For example, Shillong Plateau, Brahmaputra Valley. Again, what geographers do that? They divide that meso region into many parts and we call it micro region. Okay? Micro region is when we study small area. Okay? Like district and all. So student, why geographers divide that particular region into many parts? Because all region or all areas features are not same. There are variation among them. Therefore, geographers divide many that particular region into many parts and they study. Okay? So student, second branch is regional planning. Regional planning. So, what is the meaning of regional planning? It means what? When they plan to change particular area or their prior structure to develop that particular region. Okay. So, student, under regional planning, it includes rural planning, and urban planning. Oh, okay, rural or urban planning. So in next branch is regional development. Okay. regional development. Regional development. So student, why we study particular area or region? Why we plan particular region or area? To bring development, right? To bring development, or we we want to remove that particular region area's problem. Okay, to remove their problem. So third one is to bring development. Okay. So fourth is regional analysis. Fourth branch is regional analysis. Fourth branch is regional analysis. So student, it means what? What are the methods that we can apply to study particular area or region? Okay. So under this, in your book it is given that philosophy, and the next is method and techniques. Method and techniques. Method and techniques. So student, under philosophy, what geographer do that? They contribute their ideas, their viewpoint, their thought about to study particular region or area. Okay. And under method and techniques, we can collect data also. And under this method, we use cartography. Okay. Cartography means what? To study or to drawing maps. Okay. For example, when we are going to study particular region, then we have to know about that region. Okay. So we need maps also. And we can use field study method. Field study method means we can visit that particular region area, and then we can collect data also. Okay. And then after in your book it is given that GIS and GPS. GIS means what? Computerized mapping. Okay. And the GPS means what? From GPS we can trace particular location. Okay. So student, under regional approach there are mainly 4 branches. Okay. So student, whatever branches I have told you, all these branches are not static. Okay. Why? Because research are going on and they want to include new ideas, new method and techniques into particular subject or in geography subject. So all these branches are not static. Okay. For example, like earlier in geography, maps are drawn by hand, or we can say manually. But now maps are drawn by computer by using software. Okay. Like this, all branches are not static. It may change over time. Okay. So in this class I have explained you there are 4 branches of geography under regional approach, and in the next class I am going to teach you physical geography and its importance. Okay. So thank you.